Welcome to our training on the essentials of food and beverage services. Whether you're new to the industry or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will equip you with the key principles of excellent service. Let's get started. First up, we have professional appearance and etiquette. First impressions matter. A clean, well-pressed uniform, proper grooming, and a warm smile set the tone for a great dining experience. Always maintain good posture, be attentive, and exude confidence. Essential 2. Customer greeting and seating. A warm and professional greeting is crucial. Make eye contact, offer a sincere welcome, and assist guests to their seats. Pull out chairs if necessary, and hand them menus with care. Next we have knowledge of menu and recommendations. Knowing the menu inside out allows you to provide excellent service. Be prepared to answer questions about ingredients, preparation methods, and dietary options. Offering thoughtful recommendations enhances the dining experience. Essential 4. Taking orders effectively. Listen carefully when guests place their orders. Repeat back the order for accuracy and confirm any special requests. Attention to detail prevents mistakes and ensures customer satisfaction. Essential 5. Serving food and beverages. When serving food, present dishes from the guest's right side and clear from the left. Use a tray when necessary and never reach over guests. For beverages, hold glasses by the stem or base to maintain hygiene. Number 6. Handling customer requests and complaints. Customer satisfaction is our priority. Always listen attentively to guest requests or complaints. Empathize by putting yourself in this guest's shoes. Respond professionally and apologize sincerely. Take action to resolve the issue promptly. A positive attitude can turn a negative situation around. Thank the guest for bringing the issue or concern to your attention. Essential 7. Check presentation and payment handling. Always present the check discreetly and at the right moment. Be ready to process payments efficiently and thank guests for dining with you. A genuine farewell leaves a lasting impression. And 8. Cleaning and resetting tables. A clean and well-maintained dining area is key to a great customer experience. Clear used plates promptly, wipe down tables, and reset them with precision to welcome the next guests. In conclusion, excellent food and beverage service is all about professionalism, attentiveness, and a passion for hospitality. By following these essential steps, you'll create memorable dining experiences for every guest. Keep practicing, and thank you for your dedication to service excellence.